Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create interior. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, next we create some column by this way. You can select the shape of column. Ctrl V for copy, clone the object. Press OK. Make a shell, modify, and set the height to 300 centimeter. You create new layer and set the name is column. Right, like this. We close this image preference and create some wall. We're using AEC tool. Create a wall. Select the snap tool. Set the width is 30. Height is 300. Snap on right. Remove map side for exactly map side when we make material then. Create wall is 12 point. Right click for end this command. Make it left. Right click again to end this command. We can create a floor plan like this. You create a rectangle. Select the snap tool. You drag like this and go to modify tab. Cell modify. Set it 10 centimeter. Move it to the floor. Reference video. I think the height is 10 centimeter. Have a round door. Go like this. I guess the height is 3.3 meter from ceiling to the floor. Okay. And Ctrl V. Copy and move it 340. Okay, select the floor. Ctrl V for clone. The same location. Copy and move it 340 centimeter along z-axis. Okay, the column I set the height is 330, 340. It from the 0 z-axis. Its height 3.3 meter. Same the wall. Next I select the wall. Go to segment tab. Ctrl E for select all and set the height is 330 centimeter. Annex for see-through. P to go to perspective view. F4 to see the segment is a glass door and have a round door. It have a door in the end room of the room. Okay, glass door. Go to grid tab. Select the ceiling. annex or hide. We set the name is ceiling, floor, annex for see-through. Here have a door, unhide the word, select the word, and create a door, pivot door, select a pivot door, set the height, set the dimension a 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, reduce all the dimension by factor of 100, and open the snap. You drag mouse like this, snap to this, and snap to the top. Set the width is 90. Snap to the left. I think it's high 220 centimeter. Control V, copy, clone copy. Okay. Snap to the top and set the height 30. You need to see scale. This scale is done 30. It's like 65. I guess it's 65. And the ceiling, I think it is like this. Or ceiling. Okay, 50. Okay, so I guess it's high 28, 2.8 meter. I guess it's high 2.8 meter. Okay, you select the word and it's right click, convert to edit poly, go to element, modify tab, select this word and delete. Next we find the library, 3D library. You can find 3D modeling in the 3D warehouse. We find glass door, glass main door, glass door for office building. You need to log in for free download. You download file. We find some rolling door. Okay. You drag into the 3DSMAX file. You need to ungroup O for editing. Ungroup, ungroup all, and we can edit. Shift Z, select the shape and delete. Shift Z again to unhide all. The rolling door is in the front, and behind it is a glass door. You select all the door and create new layer. We name it that the door is named. What is it layer? It's the chart. You can delete it. Right click and remove empty layer. Okay, now I select the door and hold Control to select more column and Q to isolate isolated edge object, go to the phone, F, Z, oh, it fit, delete it, go to vertex tab, go to vertex, make unique, select vertex mode and move the vertex to here, doing the same with this glass door. Vertex mode, select vertex, move it to there, snap to there, right click and high O, go to phone view, F, go to vertex, select vertex and move it to here, press 1, select this 1, select vertex, move, snap it to here, snap it to here. Finally is roll door, F, select some element, delete, to move it to here and delete. Okay, Shift C, select the shape, it is a charge, delete it, Shift C again. We need to create new layer, roll door. You need use layer tab because it make it fluency. Smoothie group is unrequired. Don't group more because it make your 3D software crash and slow. So I always use layer. Okay, you select the door and hold Control to select column, to Q, go to F phone view and move it to here. You can unQ, right click, convert to edit poly and attack all the door into one object. You can select any objects and attack list. Oh, mass material ID. It have been one object. You can edit all like this for easier. Go to F, right click and high O, snap to this, snap to the corner of column, move it to the center and move it, go to the phone like this, phone of glass door like this. Okay, move it, go to F, move it, go to there, one vertex mode and snap it to there. Okay, we have been done the modeling, the ceiling wall and floor.